Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of two leading home security systems, the LITYMOL Home Security Camera System and the ZOSI H265 Plus Full 1080p Home Security System. In today's video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and overall value to help you determine which system is the best fit for your needs. We'll cover three main areas: resolution, installation complexity, and cost. Let's get started. The LITYMOL system boasts an impressive 5 megapixels resolution, providing significantly sharper images compared to the ZOSI's 1080p resolution. This higher pixel count allows for better detail and clarity, especially when zooming in on specific areas. If image quality is a priority for you, the LITYMOL system is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to installation, the LITYMOL system utilizes Power over Ethernet (PoE) technology, which simplifies the setup process by requiring only one cable per camera for both power and data. In contrast, the ZOSI system relies on traditional coaxial BNC wiring, which can be more cumbersome and may require additional effort for setup. Therefore, if ease of installation is a concern, the LITYMOL system has the advantage. Finally, let's discuss cost. The LITYMOL system is priced at $299, which reflects its advanced features and higher resolution. On the other hand, the ZOSI system is much more budget-friendly at $129, making it an attractive option for those looking for a basic security solution without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and the features that matter most to you. In conclusion, both the LITYMOL and ZOSI security systems offer unique advantages. The LITYMOL system excels in resolution and advanced features, while the ZOSI system provides a more affordable entry point for basic security needs. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.